Hi everyone! Today I invite you to join me and my dog Altai in the garden for a full body 15-minute stretching routine to move, breathe and feel good. Let's begin! But before we begin, if you like my YouTube videos and would like to make Qigong a daily practice, consider joining my 21-day beginner program. Each day will bring you something new, whether it's energy, stress relief or sleep, and can help you build a regular and more confident practice at home. You can find more information on ksenygray.com or join today with a few simple steps. Let's begin today's practice. Stand up nice and straight with your feet firm on the ground. Unlock your knees and relax your lower back by tucking your tailbone in. Relax your neck and shoulders. Let's begin by rubbing our hands together to bring the energy to the hands. Keep your shoulders nice and relaxed. Bring your attention to the center of your palm and your fingers. Then go ahead and massage between your fingers, stimulating the beginning of the meridians that run along the fingers. Then take that warmth to the back of your hands, all around. From here, go ahead and tap on the head. Make sure you cover the entire area, focusing on the top of the head, the area behind the ears, and down towards the neck. Relax for a moment. From here, we're going to massage the neck. If you carry a lot of tension in your neck, this is a good opportunity to release and soften, squeezing out all that tension with an open palm. Then repeat the same with your other hand. From here, tap the very bottom of the neck with an open palm. If you carry a lot of tension in your neck and shoulders, the energy often gets stagnant in that area. So it's a nice way to release and unblock the energy and improve circulation to the head. Then we do the same to the shoulders. Again, trying to release and relax tension from the shoulders by tapping on the muscle. A few times on the other side. Very good. Shake it loose. Then bring your fingertips to the chest. Gently knock on the chest, up and down the center line. This is good for stimulating and tonifying the lungs, for better breathing. So take a nice deep breath in through the nose. Feel your chest expanding. An easy long exhale to relax and soften. Breathe in. Gently tap under the collarbone. Exhale fully. Relax. We can also stimulate the lungs by tapping on the rib cage. So go ahead and knock gently a few times on each side. And repeat the same with your other hand. Relax for a moment. From here, we're going to massage the middle back, trying to target the back of the rib cage or the back of the lungs. Slowly calm down towards the lower back and all the way down to their tailbone. We have important acupressure points located along the spine, so this is a nice way to stimulate them. Come back to center and let's take a couple of deep, comforting breaths as we gently stretch the entire body. Inhale, exhale. Breathe in. Feel the body open and expanding. Exhale softly. Feel it relaxing fully. Big breath in through the nose. Easy long exhale to comfort and soften ourselves. Just like Altai is enjoying himself at the back. One more time. Breathe in. Exhale fully and relax your entire body. Very good. We continue with upward stretches or lifting the sky with both hands. Go ahead and gently press upwards. Then move your hands directly over the top of the head. Come up on your toes and stretch your entire body. Release gently, opening through the chest before you relax the full body. Repeat 5 times. The key here is to stay as relaxed as possible and keep the stretches natural to your body. Avoid overstretching or straining too much. Keep your breath slow and relaxed, finding a way to link your breath to the movement. When you calm back down, allow your whole body to relax, relaxing every muscle, every tendon in your body. Try a few times on your own. One more time. Gently stretch upwards, opening and lifting through the front of the body. Release to stretch your entire spinal column. Come up on your toes. Relax down. Very good. Take a moment here to notice how you feel, especially your neck, shoulders, chest. And place both hands on your abdomen. Move it across towards the lower back. Gently press forward, look up, opening through the front. Release the position and slowly go forward. Your hands go down the back of your legs. Take a moment here to lengthen through your spine, releasing the neck as well. Then slowly raise up, bringing your hands back to the abdomen. Repeat the movement 5 times. Keep your stretches as natural as possible. It's important to stay relaxed so the energy can travel better, can travel freely throughout your body. This is one of my favorite exercises. I do it in the morning, I do it in the evening. It really helps to stretch and tonify the entire spinal column. Energetically, it helps to balance the energy between the front and the back of the body. It makes you feel calm, makes you feel balanced and grounded. Try a few times on your own. One more time. Move to the back. Gently push forward, look up. Release. Relaxing all the way down. Feeling the stretch down the back of your legs. And slowly come up. Unlock your knees. Relax your hips. And ground yourself through your feet. Then make your hands into loose fists. Extend one arm out. We're going to stretch the side of the body. Then turn from your hips and the waist and reach forward, maybe 2 o'clock. Bend your knees, going all the way down as low as you can. Release both hands by the side and gently pull up, reaching through the crown of the head upwards. Bring both hands to the waist and repeat the same on the other side. In some texts, this movement is called gathering rice. This exercise helps to massage and promote circulation to the liver and gallbladder and is beneficial for detoxing the body. It also helps to strengthen stomach and spleen and assist digestion. Go ahead and repeat one more time on each side. Lean to the side to open and stretch the side of the body. Then reach forward, keeping your spine nice and long. Release. And slowly come up, keeping your spine nice and straight. Spiral your hands one more time, bringing them to the waist. Release and relax your entire body. You can relax now by taking a couple of deep, comforting breaths. Allow your whole body to soften, feeling a sense of comfort and space spreading throughout your body. Take this time to regulate your breath. Inhale as you go up. Exhale down. One more time, breathe in. Breathe out, feeling a wave of relaxation traveling down and comforting your entire body. One more time, breathe in. Exhale fully and relax your entire body. Bring both hands to your abdomen. Take a moment to notice how you feel. You feel nice, relaxed, grounded, and present. Bring your feet together and finish your practice. Thank you for joining me today. If you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to click a subscribe button so you don't miss any future videos or live streams. I wish you a great health and see you next time.